Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are dealing with a topic called coordinate geometry. So let's look at what coordinate geometry is. So coordinate geometry is an aspect of geometry that deals with points and the line joining them. So we can simply define coordinate geometry as this is an aspect of geometry that deals with points and lines joining them. So we have points, so in a two-dimensional plane, y as it and x as it. So we may have points on two-dimensional plane, 2 points, whereby we join the 2 points together with a line. And this can be a point, you can call this A and we call this B, of which is having coordinates of x, y, likewise x, y. This may be x1, y1, x2, y2. So the next thing is for us to find the locations of a point in two-dimensional plane, y as it and x as it. Locate the point P 3, 4. In the two-dimensional plane, if we have here to be y as it, we have in here to be x as it, of which we are looking for the locations of point P, which is 3, 4. It means x is equals to 3 and y equals to what? Equals to 4. For us to locate this point on the graph, it means at y we are having 4 and on x we are having what? 3. So if we now join this line together to meet, it's a broken line. The point at which the two lines meet is the locations of point P, which is having the coordinate of 3, 4. So likewise, if we have in a plane dimension, we are having y axis, x axis, of which we have y1, y2, and we have here to be x1, x2. So if we join the 2 points together now, so this is a point, there's a point is formed here. You can call this point A, which is having the coordinate of x1, y1. So here we are having B, which is having a coordinate of x2, what? y2. So we join this point to this point now, so of which we have A to be equals to x1, A into brackets, we are having coordinate of x1, y1, and B, we are having x2, y2. Thanks for watching this video. The next class we'll be explaining more on coordinate geometry. See you.